This video will show you how you can speed up your downloads and even pause or resume them. First, you need to come to this site from the link provided in the description and click on the download button. A small exe file will be downloaded. Click on it and then follow the instructions on the screen to install it. Go to Browser Settings and check if your browser is Chromium-based. If it is, use the link I have given in the description for Chromium-based browsers and download the extension. Besides Chromium-based browsers, it supports Firefox, whose extension link will be provided in the description. Go to Downloads and copy the download link of the file. Then open Free Download Manager, click on the plus icon, select the path and download it. You can also control the downloading speed by changing the priority from high to low.